Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back all the women unite, and welcome everybody that's new to the channel. I'm gonna press a little bit harder on this one because they gave me the website, and now we're gonna dig a little bit deeper in what's actually happening right now. Okay, so we got a distinctive and vibrant collection representing the rise of the divine feminine, power, love, and beauty portrayed through creative and fashion, photography, and NFT, united by the first of its kind collection of 222 special, independent, empowered women which are devoted to uplifting the world through positivity and contribution. 10% of all royalties are donated towards supporting women in need in third world countries. So there goes the charity aspect of it, and which I really like. So 10% of all the royalties are going to help women in third world countries. So who wouldn't want to get behind that, you know? So let's keep going down and see what else we got. Yes, you can be powerful, intelligent, beautiful, and loving at the same time. Let us unite and make the world a better place, Miss Kaina. Okay, so I'm with that, and I'm with that movement, and that's why I'm keeping my foot on the gas, because one, the community is very big, very positive, and that's what I've been doing on this channel. I want to keep it like that, and any kind of community that's rocking with that type of that vibe, that's where I'm gonna be at. That's where you guys can find me, where that positivity is at. I'm not digging the no negativity for 2022. So here we got some of the we got first Latina Colombian NFT model. We have the influencer. So we got some of the girls right here. You guys can go follow them on their Instagram. I highly suggest, if you guys have an Instagram, get tapped in with them so you guys know what's going on, and ask some questions. You know, there's nothing wrong with asking some questions. Do your due diligence. We got only 2,000 passes of the silver throne, and then from the gold throne we have 222 passes. Okay, so these are a lot more rare, and let's see what we got right now. We got the Woman Unite throne passes, unique all access pass into the Wu Kingdom. It is the only way to gain access to the whitelist for future Wu collections. That is very important. Pay attention to this. This is reading between the lines parts right now. So this is the only way you can get access to the whitelist for future Wu collections. That's letting you know that there's going to be more collections. This is something that you want to look into, okay? Which allows holders to be able to mint tokens for free. And considering the prices on these NFTs, which keep going up and up and up, we're going to check out the prices at the end of the video, so stay tuned, okay? There are two types of throne passes. The silver pass is 2,000 limit, and the gold pass is 222 limit. The silver pass grants access to the Wu Kingdom and allows holders to mint normal rarity tokens of each future Wu collection. The gold pass grants access to the Wu Kingdom and allows holders to mint the top most rare tokens of each future Wu collections. And the tokens they're speaking about, obviously, is the NFT, non-fungible token, okay? There's a mention of the Covenant Diamond Throne, coveted Diamond Throne Pass, which awaits to be revealed on the divine time. Okay, so we'll be waiting on a Diamond Pass. Maybe that'll be coming in the future. We'll see what's up. Right here, we got Women Unite, X Super Creators. Okay, we got the master right here himself that's behind this. So we got, through the years of experience, many high impact fields, such as being an international speaker, entrepreneur, social media influencer, and now spiritual master. He has applied his high caliber leadership skills and philanthropic inclination along this project for the betterment of women in need throughout the world. And who can't get behind that right now? And I can tell it's really working. So shout out to the master, Sri. I hope I pronounced that right. But the community and the way everybody's already vibing, that is huge. I'm very happy to know that there's a group of like-minded individuals that are really pushing for positivity across the whole earth. You know, that is very powerful and something that I want to keep pushing on. So we are proud to announce that the Women United Kingdom and Super Creators Assemble projects have now joined forces. I have dropped a video on that one. Make sure you guys go check that video out as well. I'll keep pressing my foot on the gas on that one as well. That one's going to be just as big, if not bigger than this. We'll see what's going on. We got the Wu Kingdom's mission has always been to empower women across the globe, while the Super Creators Project seeks to unite positive souls not only across the universe but across the metaverse too. This is right in alignment with spreading positivity and just getting people's mindset right. You need to have your right mindset to really start to experience the abundance of money. If you don't got the right mindset, you can have all kinds of money hit you and you won't even know what to do with it, to be honest with you. So we got, with both of our intentions in alignment, we are able to accelerate the expansion of love, light, and positivity and the world wide. And this is something that I want to be behind and something that I continue to spread on the channel. Also, if you guys need help with how to mint videos or something like that with the super creators or anything like that, or give me some tips or some things that you guys want to get out to the community, I can help push it out through my YouTube channel. I love what you guys are doing, and especially now that the super creators are attached to you guys, that's going to be even bigger. So you guys got a lot, and you guys got a lot coming this year. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to continue to push out. So let's actually open the OpenSea and see what these prices are looking at right now. Let's close this before we get out of here. Let's just see what's going on, because remember, those passes let you mint future collections that come out. Let's see if this doesn't lag up. Future collections that come out to actually let us see. Okay, so we got the floor prices at 0.99. So those are extremely cheap right now for that floor price. So you got to think, being able to have one of those silver passes that lets you mint, and off top they let you mint one of these for free. You guys got to connect these dots real quick and pay attention to what's actually happening. Being able to mint one of these for free, and then being able to have it on OpenSea, one of these tokens, the cheapest one is going for 1 ETH. The one right next to that, this is the Silver Throne Pass. So the next token, the actual first one, the first NFT, is worth 4 Ethereum. So having one of those silver passes automatically grants you access to what seems like, of course, it's not financial advice, do your own due diligence, but almost a free pass into getting one of these that'll be 10 grand. This community is not going nowhere. So this is something that you guys really want to dig deep. This is already in my money bag alerts. Shout out to everybody in my money bag alerts that are looking into these. Do not miss out on this. That's why I'm going to keep covering this. I'm throwing out as many hints as I can. Do not miss out on this. Look at the trading volume. It has shot up from the 200s to 339. We're going to check out the trading volume as well, because it continues to rise. Right now we got, and look at how fast they're going back to back. We got 2.2 ETH. We have, let's see. So the silver passes are getting snatched up, which is very smart. Those who are getting those silver passes, like I said, it's going to grant you access to mint one of these free. If you can ball out and get the gold pass, imagine getting one of the rare ones that you get access to having the gold pass. So I like the utility in these NFTs and how they're going to work together. So this is well thought out, man. So continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. I'm going to keep pushing this. We're going to keep an eye on this one. Those, do not miss out on this, all right? So let's keep coming back, experience the abundance of money. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.